Hi all, this is Vardhan from TechWings. Today I'm going to unbox a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse by Microsoft. So I thought this will be a very good product for my newly purchased MacBook Air. Um, this is a designer Bluetooth desktop combo from Microsoft, which is available for $160 here in Australia. So let's quickly unbox this and see what we have inside the box. And before that, let's actually look at the box itself. On one side, it says it supports for Android devices with Bluetooth with BlueTrack technology. And the other side, on the front, it says it's a low profile design, built-in number pad, mouse with the BlueTrack technology. And the mouse looks good. So let's look at the other side. It says Microsoft on the one side, and at the back, if you look at, guys, it just says what comes in the box. It has a Microsoft Designer Bluetooth desktop along with 4 AAA batteries included. That's very nice. I didn't expect that. So and you have some information about the technology. Your device must support Bluetooth 4 to 4.2 to work wirelessly with this product. So basically, guys, the device that you are connecting this to should have a Bluetooth version 4 and above. And the other side, it says keyboard with Bluetooth 4.0 wireless technology with a low profile design. It's a full size desktop keyboard, guys. It has got the number pad in it. So that's very easy to type the numbers, and media keys for music and video control too. And same with the mouse. So let's quickly unbox this and see what's inside the box and how it looks. So by looking at it, I thought, this is going to be a very sleek design, because when I'm holding this particular package, I didn't really feel it very heavy. So I'm guessing that the design of the keyboard and mouse are very lightweight and sleek. So let's just see how it is. And I don't think this is an ergonomic design. So wow, yeah, as expected, this is a very compact design, and it looks good. So let's see the mouse. Wow, the mouse is so slim, so sleek, and it's a rectangle design, guys. It's almost a flat design, I would say. It's not that ergonomic design. You'll have to be careful, but it's very lightweight. Let's look at the keyboard, and the keyboard is also nice. It's very slim and sleek. The typing experience is also good. Actually, if you look at the keys are also very nicely arranged. The key typing of on the keys are also very nice. So let me put this aside and see what's inside the box. We got some paperwork over here. I think this is a basic setup guide, guys. It's a Bluetooth. It's just a normal setup guide, how to insert the batteries and how to put the mouse in the pairing mode, etc. So I think the same information is given in different languages in different pages. So let's put that aside. And this is also small other information about the registration, etc. And this is the limited warranty. This, I think, is a warranty information. So if you look at this, it has got a warranty period for each of Microsoft products. I think mine is a 3 years warranty, because it's a Microsoft keyboard and mouse. So this comes with a 3 years warranty. It's good. So let me put that aside. And then we have another one. What is this? Oh, it's a product guide. So that's okay. It's a general product guide, guys. So let me put this paperwork aside, and let's take out the batteries now. Wow, I didn't expect this. The batteries are also not a very cheap quality batteries. You are getting 4 AAA batteries of Duracell, which is very nice. So let me cut this and insert these batteries in the mouse. These batteries in the mouse. The battery deck is also very nice, guys. The battery compartment is very nice. It's magnetic, so it just comes out when you push it. And now let me put the batteries in and close the door. The battery compartment door is really nice. I mean, like, it's very slim and sleek, and it's magnetic, so this feels really good. So the moment I inserted the battery, it's already went into the pairing mode. And now let me just connect my mouse to my MacBook Air. Just have to go to the Bluetooth over here, select Bluetooth, and then that's it. You can see the designer mouse and click connect, and this is already connected, so I didn't have to do much about this. This is very easy, guys. So it's very nice. So now let's do the same thing with my keyboard as well. So this is good. So now let me insert the batteries into this keyboard as well. So let me insert the batteries in the keyboard. This is the keyboard battery compartment. This is also magnetic, so you just have to pull it out and it just simply comes out. So let me insert these batteries, and then we will connect the keyboard to my MacBook Air as well. Nice and easy. So all positives to one side. Yep, it's ready. So let me close the compartment, and now the moment I put it, it's already in the pairing mode, guys. You can see the light blinking, but in case if it's not, then you also have this Bluetooth pairing button. If you can see, you can just press and hold this particular Bluetooth button, and then it simply goes into the pairing mode, and you can go ahead and pair this to the laptop. And you can see now, I think it's now connected. So it's asking me to press those keys on my keyboard and click the connect, hit the enter and click the connect button. So I just have to enter that and click connect, and it should be connected, guys.